In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove email address from Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives, how to identify the right address, and how to safely remove it without interrupting your access. Start in the Asana web app. Look to the top right corner and click your profile photo to open the user menu. From there, choose My Settings. In the Settings window, find the area that controls your email addresses. Depending on your plan and the current interface, this may be labeled email forwarding or account. The naming can shift with UI updates, but you're looking for the section that lists your connected email addresses and forwarding options. On that page, you'll see all emails linked to your account. One will be marked as your primary email, which is the main login address and often the default for notifications. You may also see additional secondary emails you've added for login, notifications, or email to task forwarding. Take a moment to identify the exact address you want to remove and make sure it's not the one you currently rely on for signing in. When you're ready, locate that email in the list and click Remove next to it. Asana will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the removal. The change is typically immediate. If you don't see the remove option or it's grayed out, here are a few things to keep in mind. Asana requires at least one verified email to remain on the account, so you can't delete the only address on file. Primary addresses generally cannot be removed until another verified address is set as the primary. If your organization manages logins with a company domain or single sign-on, certain addresses may be locked by policy, and you may need an admin to make changes. And if you recently added a new email, you must verify it via the confirmation message sent to that inbox before it can replace an existing one. After you remove an address, double check that your access remains intact. If you use email to task forwarding, test by sending a quick email from a remaining address to ensure tasks still create correctly. Update any inbox rules or filters that reference the removed address. Remember, email associations are at the account level, so the change applies across all your workspaces and organizations in Asana. If you remove the wrong address by mistake, you can add it back from the same settings page, then verify it from your inbox. That's it. Open My Settings, go to email forwarding or account, review your addresses, remove the one you no longer need, and confirm. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.